Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're doing my Ipsy Glam Bag unbagging for the month of September. I got this super late. It's been a couple days since I got this when you're watching this, but yeah, I literally got this on like the 26th, and it's like the 29th today that I'm filming, so literally a couple days ago. Super late, crazy, but here it is. The bag this month is super cute. It's like a corduroy with a red, just like the plus was, and then the other side is like this mustardy yellow color. Super pretty. Love that. So here it is. So Ipsy is it still $12 a month or $15? But I think it's still $12 dollars a month. You get 5 deluxe size, sometimes full size products, and they come in a cute little bag every month. So let's go ahead and dive in. The first thing right on top here is this little guy. This is the Tarte Big Ego mascara. I'm gonna be super honest, I don't love this mascara. I do have a full size of it. I'm gonna pull that out and show you the wand, just because I don't want to open that one and waste it when I'm not gonna use it. The packaging is super cute. Like, I love the bright pink, and the wand is super similar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, so I thought I would really love this. But I don't know, Tarte mascaras, I tend to really like the way they make my lashes look, which I do with this one, but they always kind of like flake off on me. The Lights Camera Lashes one, love the way it makes my lashes look, but when I wear it for more than like 6 hours, it does that too. So this would be a good like going on a date mascara or something like that, but if you're gonna wear this to like work or something you're gonna do for several hours, I wouldn't recommend it, just because it just doesn't last. It flakes off, at least on me personally. I do have, my left eye tends to water, my right eye never does, but I don't know, I don't think that causes it because it does it on both eyes. So super cute packaging though, and like I said, good for like short periods of time. Oh, we didn't even look at the card. What am I doing? Not that it's probably gonna tell us anything anyway, but you know, might as well look at it. September 2020, good vibes. Let's see. Products are in this one. Oh, it actually does. Okay, so the products are in this one, and it tells us prices. My nose is running. Shocker. Okay, this big guy is actually what I chose. This is the Pacifica Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronzer. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free. Pacifica always is. I don't really know why I chose this. I just kind of was like, yeah, it's a duo, it looks cool, and I don't really have a lot of Pacifica stuff, so I was like, I'm down to try some more. So here is what, oh cute, here's what it looks like. It's got a bronzer on this side and a blush on this side. The thing I said oh cute about is there's actually a mirror on the back, so that's super handy to see that there's lipstick on my teeth. But that's super handy. You could like throw this in your purse or in your makeup bag that you like travel with, and you have a mirror, so that's great. But here, that's what the shades look like. There are names. Are there names? Sunset Matte and Desert Matte are the names. I don't know which is which. But here's the blush, here's the bronzer. They are both matte shades, but they look really pretty. I really like that blush color. I think it's pretty. They feel pretty soft. How many times did I just say pretty? Okay, next thing. What are you? Confidence in My Glow highlighter from Real Her. Oh, I didn't tell you prices. The Pacifica thing is full size. It's $18. Oh, actually it says it's a deluxe sample. 14 grams. Oh, it is. Okay, so this is not a full size. Full size is 14 grams. This is 8 grams. Full size retails for $18. The full size of the mascara is 23. It's obviously not full size. The highlighter, that's the word, full size is 7.5 grams and it's $28. If I can get this open, I'll tell you what size of this one is. There we go. Oh, the packaging is so cute. It's like marble. Oh, I like that a lot. Okay, doesn't tell me the size of this. That's upsetting. Oh, there, okay. It's 2.5 grams. Super cute packaging though. I feel like my lipstick is like separating and it's bothering me a lot, but I just dropped a little plastic insert. Here is what it looks like. It's a pretty shade, very golden. Ooh, very soft. It's more of like a champagne gold color. Ooh, I like that. It looks pretty with that blush and blush and bronzer too. Yeah, that's pretty. That'd be a pretty color for the fall. Okay. Oh, my nose. Next thing is this. Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum improves look of fine lines and wrinkles. So it's like a moisturizer. It's always good. Full size of this retails for $36.50 and it's 60 milliliters. This is 15 milliliters. And I always leave like the conversions down below too of what you actually get monetary wise, but there's just a little pump. Ooh, there it is. Smells very medicinal, which Derma E tends to feel or smell that way. Definitely giving me a glow. Like you can see where I didn't put it versus where I did. Feels nice. Doesn't feel like mind blowing, but we'll definitely try that out. And last thing in here. Oh yay! I was actually torn between this and the Pure Pacifica thing. I was like, I don't know which one I want. This is the Pure Release Youth Glow Vitamin C CC Cream in the shade Fair. I was like going back and forth between if I wanted that or if I wanted this. So it's cool I got both. But full size of this is 40 milliliters for $38. This is 7 milliliters. Gonna use the little like aluminum foil thing right there. Actually we'll just wipe whatever is like hanging out on top there on my hand. This is a CC cream, so it's definitely not gonna be like heavy coverage, but ooh, it feels nice. Looks like a good shade match for me. There's a dude driving by on a really loud tractor. Funny. Okay, yeah, that looks like a really good shade match. That's everything. I really like the bag this month. Actually, I'm happy with everything. Like, I don't like the mascara. It's not my personal favorite, but if it was something I hadn't tried before, I'd be super excited to try this. So I do like that. I like the moisturizer. Derma E always makes good products. Super excited about this Pure Release stuff. I love trying new foundations. The highlighter looks real pretty, so I'm excited about that. And I'm excited about the bronzer blush duo. We got like a good variety of stuff this time. So yeah, I think this is the first like unbagging I've done this month that I was like, yes, I'm excited about. The rest of them have kind of been like, meh. So good way to end it, I guess. No, I have one more to do, but that's everything for this video. Don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.